Hello everyone and welcome. If you are a structural engineer, civil engineer, researcher, graduate student, or anyone interested in finite element analysis using Abaqus, then this package has been developed specifically for you. Today I'm excited to introduce the Abaqus Masonry Structural Analysis Master Package, a comprehensive training program that includes 19 practical workshops covering the modeling and simulation of masonry structure under a wide variety of loading conditions. Many masonry structures are among the oldest and most widely used construction systems in the world. They are found in residential building, commercial structure, industrial facilities, historical building, and some other projects. Also, masonry appears simple. Accurately predicting its structure behavior is one of the most challenging tasks in computational mechanics. Unlike steel reinforced concrete, masonry is a heterogeneous material composed of brick or blocks, mortar joints, interface, and sometimes reinforcement. This makes its behavior highly nonlinear, uh, especially under compression, lateral loading, earthquake, cyclic loading, impact, and explosion. Because of this complexity, engineers increasingly rely on finite element analysis to understand how masonry structures behave before they are constructed, strengthened, or uh, rehabilitated. This training package has been carefully prepared to help you develop practical Abaqus skill through real engineering example rather than simplified demonstration. The package, as you can see here, contains 90 complete workshops, each focusing on a different engineering problems. You will learn how to model masonry walls under compression, transverse loading, and cyclic loading. You build both uh, micro models and macro models, allowing you to understand the advantages and applications of each modeling technique. The training also includes simulation of hollow concrete block masonry, masonry infill wall inside a steel frame, earthquake analysis of a brick masonry wall, rocking failure mechanism, and wood cement composite wall under seismic loading. For engineers interested in advanced structural systems, the package includes the modeling of CFST multi-cavity T-shaped shear wall, FRP-strengthened masonry walls, interlocking masonry systems, and reinforced masonry beam using GFRP reinforcement. Connection modeling is one of the modeling is another important topic covered in this package. You will learn how to simulate pull-out test and monotonic loading of precast wall panel connections, which are widely used in the modern prefabricated construction, as you can see here. One of the unique aspects of this package is focus on external loading condition. Several workshops are dedicated to blast engineering, including conventional blast analysis, coupled Eulerian and Lagrangian, and smooth particle hydrodynamics. These techniques are widely used for modeling explosion and high-speed impact event. Throughout the package, you will learn how to define nonlinear material properties, create contact interaction, apply realistic boundary conditions, generate high-quality mesh, configure analysis steps, and accurately interpret simulation results. This is not a simple collection of the videos. Every workshop comes with complete Abaqus model file. After purchasing the package, you will receive the Abaqus CAE file, INP file, codes, step-by-step tutorial video, and reference research paper whenever they are available. These resources allow you to study the original engineering methodology and re reproduce the simulation on your own computer. Instead of spending weeks or even months searching through journals, articles, online forums, and scattered tutorial, you will have everything organized and professional here. Whether your goal is academic research, completing a master or PhD thesis, publishing journal paper, improving your skills, or simply becoming more confident with Abaqus, this package provides practical experience that can immediately be applied to real engineering projects. Another important advantage is that the models are fully editable. You can modify geometry, material, loading, mesh, and everything. If you're currently working in structural engineering, earthquake engineering, computational mechanics, or finite element analysis, these workshops can save you a tremendous amount of development time, uh, which helping you understand professional modeling techniques used in the both research and industry. The package is suitable for civil engineer, structural engineer, finite element analyst, researchers, university professor, graduate student, and everyone interested in finite element modeling. And at the end, you can see here the payment. The price for this full package is 138 euros. We accept PayPal, Visa, MasterCard cryptocurrencies. Uh, Before payment, contact us through this email to tell you more about the purchasing process, the delivery of the download links, content of the package, or everything. So we are waiting for you. Thank you for your attention.